audible? Can you hear me? Yes.
This meeting is being recorded.
Good. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Sure. Good. Now let's see. Let's start here. First, we will see what we have discussed till now. Then we will move forward with the new things. Okay. Now, let me open Visual Studio Code. Inside Visual Studio Code, we are writing every day our code. Last 2 days, we are working on a tool called Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a text editor. You can say text editor or code editor. This code editor, we are using it to write our codes. Now, everyone should have downloaded VS Code by now. I think everyone's system have VS Code now. Now, and day before yesterday, I told you everyone should go to extensions and install one extension called live server. Install one extension called live server. Maybe by now, most people had an idea what is the use of this live server. If anyone is still not getting this live server or having any problems, you can let me know. We will discuss with it. Okay. But this one is what we will use it to run our pages. Mostly you will not get problems, but some systems will get it. Next, the first one is file. I want to open. What is the first thing when you open a VS Code you have to do, sir? Open folder. Open. Where I have to go? File. What I have to click? Very good. Then I have one file named HTML 4pm HTML CSS JS. And this is where we are writing it. Open it. Now inside this, I have inside this I have one folder HTML. Inside HTML folder, I have code, I have notes, I have projects. I know that till now we have not done any. Now, if I go to code, inside the code, what is the first day we discussed? Structure of HTML. The basic things are there here. Next, headings, paragraphs, anchor tag and image will be there here. Then next, yesterday, formatting tags. Yesterday are there. Regarding the notes, we have notes is in the notes folder. In intro, introduction, and in formatting tags, we have to save it here. Now it will come. We have formatting tags which we wrote it yesterday, sir. Is it clear, ma? And there is one Google Drive link they created. You can get the Google Drive link from the admin. You can get the Google Drive link from the admin. In the Google Drive link, I will show it to you. In the Google Drive link, I mentioned notes for basics. These basics are like on initial days, I explained you internet fundamentals. What is client? What is server? What is HTTP, HTTPS, domain name system, how internet works. These things I explained in initial classes, ma. You can even watch my demo classes or you can even read these notes. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. And also, I will upload till now whatever we have done also. And every day, whenever we discuss, those things will be uploaded into this one. Now, we are having Google Drive, sir. In the Google Drive only, you will have your notes then. Okay. Now, these are the things we have it till now. Sir, what about code? Today, I will give you one GitHub link. Today, I will give you one GitHub link. In that GitHub link, you will have your Google, code. You will have everyday code. Don't worry. Once we completed our HTML, we'll do one day. What is Git? What is GitHub also? Is it clear, ma? Now, can we do a revision? Now, yesterday we discussed formatting tags. Formatting tags are used to format the text. What is use of B? Bold. What is use of B? Strong, bold. Difference is more importance. Search engines understands it better. Perfect. I, EM, emphasized, but it will come as italic only. Barabar. Good. Tell, strike off. Perfect. INS, insert, but it will come as underline. U, good. SUP, superscript, power. SUB, subscript. Mark, highlight. PR, break the line. Do I need to close the BR? Because it is self-closing tags are also called as unpaired, void, unpaired or void or empty. Perfect. Okay. Nice. Next, HR, horizontal line. KBD, keyboard shortcuts. Pre, pre-formatted text. Pre means online, please participate, sir. Online also, whoever are there. Next, code used for any codes. Perfect. BDO, bidirectional. BDO is used for perfect. Today, we will discuss less and we will also do one project. Okay. I will put that project into Netlify. I will show you that process and you guys also can do it better. Is it clear, ma? Yesterday, I also told you using either do formatting tags or post some nice article. Anyone tried anything, sir? Good. Let me see one by one. Online, someone gave me capable Wisp something Pesara Venkata. Okay, let's see that. Okay, watches. You remember this is mark tag. Watches are there. I didn't explain you background color and all, but actually this color looks not bad. More about watches. Go here, watch shop. Perfect. Mail, WhatsApp. Let's open mail. It's opening his mail only. Perfect. Perfect. Next. Tell me, sir, anyone? So many people raised hand now. Tell me your link or article name, Ray, so that I will suggest. I will read it. Huh? Fardi Future. For the future. What? What is that name, Ray? Is it good only? Oh, that's really good, Ray. It looks really actually, kind of good. True. Save the child, protecting, and I'm happy with this guy used it in this nice purpose. Okay. Save the child, protecting innocence, empowering futures. Where did you get this all? Like, you take it from Google, this words and all? ChatGPT. Nice thought. Why every child deserves protection. Perfect. And you highlighted something using mark tag. Click here to donate. And I'm going into something, some kind of Bala Rashtra Bharat. Okay. Kind of organization, I think. Nice. Good thought. You know, internet brings so many things into our plate. People often forgot that how much great power you guys are having it in your hand. You guys are techies. Mostly in 1 month, you will understand basically how to build a site. But on the first day, I told you, when you build a site, purpose kya hai? Earlier, one guy built one, like, earlier I saw one site that is for watches. So his goal is to sell that particular watch. That's why he is building it. Today, it may look normal, but slowly, when he develops that particular site, his goal is to sell the watches. This guy is to make this particular one awareness. So one site should have a purpose. Sir, I will put that image, this image, and all mixing, sir. It will not work. That's not a good one. Okay. Good. Now go here. HTML, CSS website. HTML, hypertext markup language. Good. Someone created a page where they explain all these three, sir. Nice. I don't need to write anything then. Now, these are the things we discussed, Ma. Let me show you. HTML and headings and paragraphs and formatting text. Nice lang. It was good, not bad. Next. Next one, sir. Anyone offline? Online, only two people mentioned it. Huh? Maintain? Lid. Maintain clean. Okay. You are Swachh Bharat guy. Maintain clean dot netlify dot app. Interesting point is, ma, in US, maintaining cleanliness is not a choice. It's mandatory. It's been trained from the childhood because else they have to go to behind the bars. But we don't like it. In India, if we have some kind of dust in our home, we will take the dust and we'll pour it on the road. And again, someone has to clean the roads also. This is actually kind of good. We have to, in some cities, that is actually kind of good procedure. I don't know whether you knew it or not. Have you been ever visited to Bangalore, ma? In future, anyway, you all will work in Bangalore only. Don't worry. Now, if you go to Bangalore, you will know the situation. In Bangalore, cleanliness is higher importance. Even we will give our, kind of whatever the garbage is there. Now we will give our garbage daily to the garbage guys, right? We have to separate our garbage to wet and dry. It's a mandatory one. If you don't separate your garbage wet and dry in the Bangalore, the garbage guys will not take your garbage only. They will leave it you there. Wet garbage in one cover, dry garbage in one cover, you should put it. It's your responsibility in your home. Whole Bangalore works like that, basically. At least in my area when I lived it. So it's actually kind of true. Some places are actually good. It's nice. And I loved it here. This mark tags, HR tag, everything used properly. But only the point is this image is not something you have to check it upon. Good. Any other? Next one, sir. Only this much. There's so many people raised hands now. Bolo. HTML dash formatting dash tags netlify.app. Other. Oh, you write an article. HTML HTML dash formatting tags dot hashnode dot dev. Excellent. Finally, one person started a blog. Finally, one person started a blog, sir. HTML formatting tags. You need to put a better title name. Understand HTML formatting tags in 4 minutes. Kind of good name, na? You put it something good name. Image is looking good. Formatting tags. HTML formatting tags is a process of formatting text for better look and feel. Perfect. HTML provides us ability to formatting text without using CSS. There are many formatting tags in HTML. These tags are used to make text bold, utilized, underlined. There are 16 options available how the text appears. Did you use ChatGPT or on your own? Own only? That's nice. B tag, HTML B, HTML strong. Content inside is typically is italic. Really good, Ray. The consistency here is actually good. Nice. Now, I will show you even at the end of today also how to create that Netlify, how these people created, how to create this blog so that the people can see your articles. Okay. How to make it like yourself, your own kind of blogs and all. All I ask you to do is daily do some kind of post. Now, along with HTML, you may also learn any other thing now. In Naresh IT or somewhere you will learn. Maybe today you watched some YouTube video. You learned some nice thing regarding some kind of classes or something function or something. Immediately write an article on it. Immediately write an article on it. That will give you good. Believe me, when you write something, you will improve your communications to another level. And also, you all have LinkedIn, ma? These articles share in your LinkedIn. Today, post it. My one of the post in LinkedIn, my article. Then tomorrow, when one of the HR sees your profile, they sees all the articles you wrote. They don't need to ask you some things. You will get a lead code or something. You will solve one problem. Post it in LinkedIn. The moment they come to your LinkedIn, they will be hell shocked. Oh, this guy is in tech groups. This guy is in solved this many problems. This guy already wrote this many articles. Are you getting my point, ma? Now, online also someone created in Medium. I love Medium. Okay, who is this guy, Ray? He's explaining complete JavaScript only. It's good, actually. Published 2 articles. Nice. Writing blogs is content writer. It will help you for your career. I am giving you multiple things, not only HTML, CSS. Initial days, I taught you how to do UI and UX. I don't know how many of you tried Figma. Raise your hand, honestly. How many of you tried Figma? Not even 10%. Max to 10 people. Now, Bolo, why we are not having jobs? Why the job market is not great? We blame education system, sir. The biggest culprit in education system is not the government or the system, the students. Students pay larger fee and they go to the last bench and sit instead of first bench. Are you all getting my point, ma? Because you did not paid, your parents paid, and be responsible for it, accountable to everything. Okay, transparent. And to the people who ever tried Figma, I really recommend you to try it more and more designs so that you one day you will become a nice designer, or maybe one day you will become a nice content creator like this content writer. Also, you will become anyway front end developer. I will explain you that. Let's see our next thing. Today's concept lists. Sir, I have a project, but website name is was not changing. No worries, you can keep it. You can just send it. Lists. Open. Naresh IT, 4 p.m. Now, let's discuss lists. Lists are used. Lists are used to list out. Lists are used to list out certain statements, certain items, not statement. Lists are used to list out certain items. Lists are used to list out certain items, either either ordered or unordered. Unordered. I can list out certain items, sir. Now let's go here. Example. Tell me in real life. Tell me in real life where you can use lists. In real life, you will write list na? क्या क्या list? बोलो. You will heard list so many times. Grocery list, barabar. Obviously, we all will do this grocery list. Next, huh? Expenditure list. Expenditure list. Okay, someone is going with crackers list. That is different case. Maybe for Diwali you will do this cracker list, whatever. Teacher list or book list, books list. See, I'm not explaining you the HTML list. Okay, I'm just asking you general list. Books list. Any more? Huh? Students list. Okay, not bad. To-do list. Someone said it. So it's like daily works, whatever we have. Huh? You guys are not telling actually main important lists, which we will use. Employees list is similar to student list. Huh? Results list, kind of true. Someone online told this. Phone number list, contacts list. Perfect. Someone in the online told, but that's perfect. Phone contact. Now, sir, the most interesting part. Someone even go with playlist. Yeah, true. Playlist is a list. Not bad. Now, in this list, sir, in this all list, some lists will have order. Some lists don't have any order. Take contact list. In your phone, all contact lists will be in order, alphabets. If I take attendance list, all the people will be in order, roll number. If I take results list, all the people in order, hall ticket number, right? But sir, if I take it something grocery list, will there be any order? No. You may write brinjal first, but you may buy some kind of milk first. You may write some another item and buy another item. You may jumble anything in an order. Order is not important in grocery list. When you are writing it student list, maybe order is important. If you take something like playlist, in some apps, playlist, you will have something random. Randomly they will play instead of in a order. In some apps, they will have direct order only. Dictionary is a list. Dictionary is having order. Telephone directory is having order. So some lists have order and some don't. Some lists, so according to our observation, some lists have order and some don't. HTML, we will write them in HTML. Lists are classified in lists are classified as three types. How many types, sir? Three types. First one, ordered list. What is the first one? Second one, unordered list. First one, ordered list. Second one, unordered list. Third one, definition list. I will tell you what is what. Don't worry. Definition list. You have three lists: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. First one, ordered list. Ordered lists are used lists are used to list out to list out certain items in an order. In an order. HTML uses HTML uses HTML uses OL HTML uses OL tag. HTML uses OL tag for ordered lists. Online Nikita, take it yesterday class. Just go for admin. We discussed formatting tags yesterday. Now, HTML uses OL tag. Now, inside OL, inside OL, each list item, each list item, each list item denoted by li. Each list item denoted by li tag. Each list item denoted by li tag. Now, everyone tell me, ordered list use which tag? See this and tell. Ordered list use which tag, ma? Very good. Inside the list, each list item will be li tag. Each list will be li. Go here and write code. Let me write it here. Code here. Go to code folder. Every day, whatever code I do, I will go into code, sir. Today I am creating list. Inside the list, I will click here. Sir, to create folder, I am creating this. To create files, I am creating this. And I'm going here, index.html. If you want to get Netlify, if you want to get Netlify, your name should be index.html only. I told this point multiple times. Okay. Now, inside this index.html, exclamation, you all remembered, ma, what is it? What are the shortcuts are called? Emmets. Emmets. Okay. Now, this emmet, if you do basic code, you will get it, sir. Doubt, ma? So now I will run this file. Click here, go live. Go live. It will run the file. Let's keep the file side by side. Now, you can see it now. I am keeping one comment, ma. Ordered list. This is a comment. Comments are not necessary. I am just giving it for my purpose. Ordered list uses OL tag. And inside the OL tag, I want LI tag. Now inside the LI, let me give it here something like ordered list. What can be the ordered list? Attendance. Now here, let's go with here. Akash, Li, Bhuma, Li, Chandra. Now here, can you see this right side what it is happening? Can you see live server means it will automatically run because my file is auto saved. Good. Now total list is ordered list. Ordered list uses OL tag. Inside this, how many list items are there, ma? Each list item uses li tag. Each list item uses barabar. Sir, what is the order here? 1, 2, 3, 4, na? If you see it, order is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, sir, I don't want it to write this 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanted to write Roman numbers. Or I wanted to write any another ones. You can use one attribute called type. What is the attribute, ma? Go to OL, give here type. I think everyone knows here what is it mean by attribute. Like anchor tag have HRE of attribute. IMG have SRC attribute. Right? Similarly, OL have one attribute type. Can you see this and tell me how many options you are getting it? How many options you are getting it, ma? By default option is 1. By default option is 1 means numbers will come. If I give capital A, what is happening now? Capital A, B, C, D. Sir, what if I give here small a? Small a, B, C. Now, good. Focus here. Attendance. Now I want capital A. Capital A will be there. Type small a, or if I give a small I, Roman numbers, capital I, capital Roman numbers. Total how many types, ma? You can give numbers, uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, uppercase Roman numbers, lowercase Roman numbers. And what is the attribute name? Any doubts here? Next, next. Sir, I wanted to start with numbers. I wanted to start with numbers, but I want the numbers to start from 100. I want my number to start from 100. Start 100. Then what will happen from 100? It will start 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, like that. Sir, if I wanted to start ABCDs, if I go for ABCDs, I wanted to start from Q. I wanted to start from Q. First letter should be Q. Can anyone tell me what I have to enter here? No, instead of Q, you should enter the number. Start will take always number. Start will take always. Q will be number of 17, I think. Total 26. Doubt, sir? Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts? No. Sir, I can even list one list inside another list. I can even list one list inside another list. Now, someone ask it like what it will be beyond Z. Same like Excel. AA, AB, AC, AD. After that again BA, like that it will continue. Now, I will go here nested list. I think already one time we discussed something called nested elements. Nested elements means one element inside. Now, nested list means one list inside the. Now, sir, initially 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, Akash. Here again OL. Inside that I will go here again LI. Okay. Goodbye. Now LI. Good marks. I just wanna write it here. Please start with LI in type and start. No, you will not get it type in LI. You will get it type only in OL. Why, sir? Because start, you are writing for ordered list. List item is one single value. You should control for all values. So you should go to the OL, not to the LI. LI is individual. Now here you should always go with something OL. Now go here, LI. Can anyone tell me how do I get it, sir? See, one list, one list. Again, I put another list, which is OL. Here I will give type A. I can give direct list or I can give one list inside and another list to make it better. Any doubts here? No? These were the basic things which it will provide, ma. In case if you wanted to write any another thing except this, In CSS, you will have something called before. At that, using that before one, you can able to write it. But in list, only these are the things mostly possible. Can we make a note, sir? No. Ordered list. Ordered list. Now, which will have OL tag. Inside the OL, you will have li, li, and again OL. We can mention any type. We can mention any type in five options we have, sir. One, numbers. Actually, this is the default one. Or capital A, capital A, capital B, I, Romans, Roman lowercase, capital I, Roman uppercase. We can even we can even start we can even start at any point using numerical attribute start. Is it done, ma? Now, one list inside another list, one list inside another list is called nested list. Any doubts with ordered list, ma? No. Let's go with unordered list. Unordered list. Unordered list doesn't need any kind of order. Unordered list. Unordered list uses UL tag. Unordered list uses ordered list OL. Unordered list UL. But list item is same. List item is same. Li. Li. Acha, did you all remembered? Did you all remembered my shortcuts called MX, ma? I used one method called plus. You remember, sir? H1 plus H2 plus H3 plus H4. They will come one after the another, right? Similarly, sir, I want to write four LIs. I want to write four LIs. Instead of writing one after the another, if you write LI asterisk 4, LI asterisk 4, automatically four LIs will be created, sir. See? Can you see this, sir? One more time. If I write it here, Li asterisk 4, now let's write some kind of another list, another list, kind of, grocery list. I will go with the groceries. Another list is milk, tea powder, coffee powder, sugar. Now, if I write it here, four items, they are not having any specific order, sir. They are not, you cannot say it like this is first, this is second. No, because they used bullet points. You all know that now? That bullet points is what they used. Now, now, can I change them, sir? Actually, you can change, but it is not recommended. You can even change it something like this here, type. You can say type is equals to circle. Automatically, they will become circle or square, square. Why it is not working? Square or or none. By default, bullets will be there. By default, bullet will be there. If you use UL type none, it will not bring any kind of list one. If you use the type is equals to something circle, circles will come. If you say type is equals to something square, squares will come. But in reality, sir, we will not use this. We will not use this. This is not recommended. Why? Because people like to keep another list type in the CSS. In the if CSS is there, na CSS can even put whatever element I want. I want to put it every list item side by. I want to put one teddy bear. You can keep it. One emoji symbol. I can keep it. Is it clear, man? That you can do it in CSS, sir. HTML uses just to create an another list. By default, when you say UL, automatically they will become something kind of dotted bullet points. Simple. This is called unordered list. Does anyone have any questions in unordered list, ma? No. Unordered list also you can use it for nested list, ma. I will give you one chota example which you can try it now. List nesting, nesting in Java, not Java, HTML. Nested list in HTML. Everyone, write a HTML code now only. Everyone, I am giving exactly 5 minutes. Write a HTML code to print this. I don't want any colors. Color से पूरा छोड़ दो. Write a HTML to print this. Everyone, write a HTML code to print this. OL is used for ordered list. UL is used for unordered list. Both LI means list item. In VS Code, someone created a folder. In the folder, create one file. In that file, not typing any HTML code. It should be .html, sir, file. If it is a file name .html only, it will write. If not, it will not write. Let me know if anyone completed. అయిపోయింది. If any doubts are there also, you can ask ma. Initially only na, you will have some doubts. After that, we'll discuss the definition list. We'll upload the things. Online, is it done? Done. Now, is it clear, my everyone? Oh, you are still writing? Sir, is it clear, my everyone? Yes sir, no रे. Doubt है तो बोलो, okay? Then only we will go, okay? Now, okay, go sir. Next one. Let's note it down. Another list. Unordered lists. Unordered lists are used. Unordered list. I'm telling one more time. Unordered list. Note it down, sir. Unordered lists are used to list out to list out items in which order is not necessary. Unordered lists are to list out items items in which order is not necessary. Next one. Unordered list uses UL tag. Unordered list uses UL tag, and each list item each list item is li tag, even though it is also supporting kind of type and all, but we don't use it. Type of the type of the unordered list can be done without can be done similar to ordered, similarly as ordered or whatever, but not recommended. When I give UL inside OL, then symbol of UL becomes circle. What? Next, third one, definition list. These lists, these lists are used. These lists are used to define certain statements or events, change log, timelines, etc. These lists are used to define certain standards, define certain statements or events or some kind of change logs or timelines. How they will be served? You go here, write it here, definition list, definition, defi, definition, definition list, definition list. Now, now Definition lists are how they look like, sir. How this definition list look like? Definition list looks like DL. DL is used for very good. Inside each definition, you will have two things. If you are writing in your book definitions, you will observe two things. One is definition, and another one is side heading. Another one is the definition. If I'm giving earth pollution side heading, and its definition, I will write it in something bigger, right? So here DL is also having two things mainly. DT, definition term. DT means everyone. DT means I am giving definition for HTML. And next line I am giving DD. DD means definition data. DD means hypertext markup language. Same way, another DT. 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 CSS. The next DD. CSS. Cascading style sheets. Now you go here and see where is the output. You go and see here, refresh. Can you see here something came? Left side, can you see ma? Left side, definition name is there. What is the definition name? HTML. That is definition term. Definition term DT. Next, something hypertext markup language is there, na? Definition, definition, data. Any doubts? We'll make a note of it. We'll go and do one project. We'll upload to Netlify. Okay. They uses they uses DL tag. DL tag. Each item will have each item will have two properties. DL no DT DT definition term or DD definition data. Does anyone have any questions, sir, in this? No. Sir, what will be our first project? Our first project, which we are going it in our first 3 days. I think now mainly started 3 days. 3 days ho gaya. We are in fourth day. We are doing our first project, the first website in the internet. Did you see the first website in the internet, sir? Now, if you want to see this website, go here, internet, type it www first project. www first project. You will get one website. This is the first site which is there in the internet. Before we build, sir, can we check it, your knowledge? World Wide Web, which tag you will use? H1, which tag you will use? Barabar. The next, the World Wide Web, one paragraph is there. Which one you will use? P. But inside the paragraph, hypermedia is a link. Anchor tag. Anchor tag. Then again, everything there is online. Paragraph. You have so many links. What's out there points to the what you will use. Can you see after everything you are getting one space? BR अरे just now बोला ना definition list है वो देखो HTML some list. Oh, the reason I told definition list is only for this only. Can you see this? See, sir, what about this HTML and all are not getting it na? Any links? But if you see here, they are getting links na? कुछ नहीं DT they are keeping in anchor tag. Inside the DT anchor tag is there. It is not just underlined. This is something linked. And we'll exactly do the same site and we'll just push it into the live. Any doubts, sir? Quickly we'll do. World Wide Web. Copy. Go here. Go to projects. I'm going to the project. First one, www. And inside this, I'm creating index.html. How to get basic template code, sir? Exclamation. Now inside this, don't worry about every other thing. Only the thing I need to change is this. The first project. You can put any. Array, my keyboard is pura chal gaya. The first project. The first project. Now inside the body. First one, I will take one H1. Keep it this World Wide Web. Next, how many paragraphs I need, sir? Can I create two paragraphs at a time? Can I create two paragraphs at a time? How? P, P star, which will create two paragraphs, or P plus P, one P after P. You can use this. What is this? This is just a shortcut. If I use P plus P, two paragraphs will come. Or P asterisk 2 also two paragraphs come. Asterisk is used kind of multiplication. I don't want to do both. I want to write it myself. Your wish. Either you write it yourself or you just go with, these kind of shortcuts. Your wish. Now, first paragraph. Let's copy this. Copy. Go. Paste. Then inside this, actually, what are there? Hypermedia is anchor tag. Only hypermedia is anchor tag. Hypermedia. Cut it. Anchor tag. Hypermedia. I am not giving any link, sir. If you wanted to give link, you can even go to this website. Click on this. It will open another link, and you can copy it and you can give it here so that it will become complete website. It's up to you whether you want to give the link or not. Go back. Then here executive summary, mailing list policy, W3 something. Okay, go here. Second paragraph. Copy the second paragraph. Paste it here. First thing, executive. Summary, executive summary, anchor tag. Next one, mailing list, policy. The next one, W3 news. The next one, frequently asked questions. Let's check our website, sir. Is it coming correctly or not? Obviously, it will come correctly. Any doubts, ma? No. Go here. Where is our website? Yeah, this. Now in this website, also coming this all. What is this, sir? Definition. Oh, in this definition list, how many are there, Ray? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sets are there. I have to create 9 sets now. If I use complete shortcut, I don't know whether you guys will take it or not. Now they go. I will show you one more shortcut. If I use it something H1 or not H1, paragraph, arrow. Arrow means inside. Arrow means plus means one after the another. Plus means asterisk means multiply. It will become how many you want. Multiply. Arrow means inside. Arrow means anyone guess P arrow A. If you enter, what will happen? Anchor tag inside the paragraph. Just to make the work early. Okay. If you don't want it, don't no need to get confused. Aram se type karo. Okay. You will have so much time. I don't have time or patience now. I will go with this definition list. TL. TL means in this definition list, how many DT are there? How many DT are there? Good. How many DD are there? DT plus DD. DT plus DD bole to first DT should come. After that, like this, it should repeat 9 times. If you directly write DT the asterisk 9, na, 9 DTs will come. It will become bad. Understand this. In one line, you will get all 3 shortcuts. First DT and then DD. Again DT, DD, DT, DD. Like that I want. So this combination, this pura combination, I want you to repeat, group it. I want you to repeat 9 times. More interesting point is all DTs are having anchor tag inside. Right or not? It is like some mathematical formulas. I know that. Now, now, ये लाइन देखो. कोई डाउट है ये लाइन? Because if I press enter, almost पूरा कोड आ जाता. Listen, it will create DT inside the DT anchor tag, and after that it will create DD. Like this cycle, it will repeat 9 times. DT. Oh shit. Now, problem is inside the DT, it is printing this both. So you need to write it each one in a separate brackets. Like in your mathematics, board mass kind of thing. Now they go. First DT inside anchor tag and then add DD. Like that you are telling instructions. Now barabar aa jata. Every DT is having anchor tag and DD. DT is having anchor tag DD. DT is having anchor tag DD. Like that it will go on 9 times. Now let's go here. I am just filling it out. What's out there? What's out there? Then next here. This is the province. Point. Next. Help. I am not adding the links also. I want you to add those things also. First, I will add all of this data. After that, we'll check one by one. I know that inside the DD subjects, these things are there, na? I will check it. First, we'll add this all. పారాగ్రాఫ్ క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు ఎక్కడ లైన్ నెంబర్ అర్థం కాల రైట్ వేర్ ఈస్ దట్ క్లోజ్డ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ దెన్ ఓ ఐ డిడ్ ద కమాండ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద పారాగ్రాఫ్ దిస్ ఇస్ గుడ్ observation nice good after this dd हो गया then next it's just copy paste only and if you have time if you really want you can type also which I don't do go here go here technical details of protocols. You can write a nice article if you are having a blog. You can write a nice article about how internet started, the first website, how much great it would be at that time, and how to create your own first website. Kind of nice article if you write it now, people will love that. Bibliography. Paper documentation. Online, are you all getting my point, ma? Online, if anyone are not getting, please let me know. Any doubts? Okay. It's just a copy paste because matter only. And I will show you how to put this into Netlify and all. ये list हो गया. History, history, summary, summary. Only two more. How can I help you? Again, how can I help you? If you would like to, if you would like to, getting code, getting code, getting the code. हाँ हो गया. Sir, listen to this. All we did is same thing only. Just because I'm just typing it here, you may get confused. But if you just sit slowly and if you just try to create it, it will not take big time for you. If you feel it something, the shortcuts are overwhelming, you can use it normally also. If you type it also, it will not take much time. Okay, just to you type it one time, copy paste karo. Is it clear, ma? Any doubts in this? The program may seem huge. Actually, program uses only three concepts: headings, paragraph, anchor tags, definition list. Only four concepts it uses. Now, if I run my program now, 100%. Why did I get it here? This much gap. Go here, definition list. Now here, paragraph closed, and this dot comes out. Now, can you see my website, ma? This is my website, and this is okay, sir. This is my website, and this is the internet website. The only difference is here in internet website, we have everything connected to links, everything connected to, and also in internet website, I this TDs, these DDs are also having some data, but I did not put this anchor tags, subjects, W3 servers, this line modes, these things. But I think you can do that, right? Right now, can we push this into live website, sir? How to create? Yeah. Now, everyone, I will show you one more time how to create the website online. Also, please listen to it, ma. And in case if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Today, three concepts: l- ordered list, unordered list, definition list. Anyone have any questions on it? No. Go here. Open a website named Netlify. What is the website name? Netlify. Then there is one place called add new site. Go here, something called add new site. Click here, add new site. There are three options. Can you see this, ma? Import an existing project, start from a template, and deploy manually. Select the third option, deploy manually. Slowly, one day I will teach you Git and GitHub. At that time, I will tell you how to do import an existing project. Okay. So we will do all also, but now we started with deploy manually. Then here it is asking upload. Click here, go to your folder, desktop, Naresh IT, 2 p.m. deep. Oh, sorry, Naresh IT, 4 p.m. HTML, CSS, HTML, HTML, projects. And I did the project folder named www. Now, sir, this website will come. This website will come only if the file name is index.html. If you put any another name now, you will get one error, page not found. Did anyone get that, sir? Page not found. That means the file name is not index.html. Okay. Now, you can see that when I upload my file, it will show you. File I uploaded is index.html. Go to site configurations, go down, change site name. Then here, change site name. Now here, put it something like www project, project, first project, one, 007 हो गया. Now online, someone is saying it like मेरा ad new site show नहीं हो रहा है. देखो, if it is first time you created Netlify account ना, instead of showing it add new site, it will directly show you deploy here first time, because you are not having any other things. And ये Netlify पे हम upload करना है task, right? You have to upload in Netlify so that you will get a link. Now देखो, I changed my link ना. Now can you see it here? www firstproject007.netlify.app. If I click on it, my project will come. Similarly, when I give task to you, I expect you also do the task in this link. Is it clear, my everyone? Is it clear? Now, in case if you feel it something like overwhelming also, if you try today na, sit and try, you will get it this. It's not a big deal. And today, my task also, everyone I'm giving task also, www website. Go here, type it in internet, www first project. You will get this. www first project. If you type it in internet, www first project. Yes, online Nayak, you have to sign in into Netlify ma. You have to use GitHub to sign on. Now, if you go here, the first one, I want you to create this, but I want you to create with links. Your links should work. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. And not only this, I told you yesterday, to become good developer, ma, good knowledge is important. How do you get the knowledge? Do you think just by listening to some small classes, you will have some knowledge? No. You have to talk to tech people. You have to see tech people, how they are writing, everything. To do this, to do this, go to do this, go to dev.to, dev.to, then here, no, read the articles, dev.to, one website. You can even post something in dev.to also. For example, let's go here, HTML list. I will search for it. And someone is explaining HTML list. Open it. See, someone is explaining what is DL, what is DT, everything they are explaining. It's a simple one. They just explain what is DL, DT, DD. Right now? So you can just write an article, whatever you like it. See, someone just mentioned it, HTML list. They just mention it something in detail. You also just go with that, sir. Are you getting my point, ma? And dev.to or hash node. You go to this website, hash node. One more time, I'm telling it. First one you have to understand is Netlify. What is the website name? Go to Netlify. After going to Netlify, log into Netlify. Once you logged in, you will have something called add new site, or directly you will have something called deploy manually. Click on it, upload your folder, you will get your website. That is first one. Second one is hash node, and third one is dev.to. Dev.to. Use these things, ma. Almost you will get it everything till now, whatever we have discussed. And I will also create one GitHub link. I will also create one GitHub repository today. 4 p.m. HTML, CSS. and create the repository and copy. Guys, you don't need to do anything in the GitHub. I will teach you GitHub one day. You don't need to do anything in GitHub now. I want you to create an Netlify account. Just create a GitHub account. How to create GitHub account, sir? Very simple. You go to github.com, give your mail ID. You will get one OTP. If you give OTP, your account will be created. There are no classes for you to create Snapchat account, right? Snapchat, Insta, if you can able to create you can able to create the GitHub also. That was way similar. Now I will I will just give this link so that you can see my code till now. Every day, every day your code will be mentioned inside the GitHub. Notes will be mentioned inside the drive. I will teach you how I'm doing this all also. Don't worry. Not now, but I will teach it. Now I am giving you the link, sir, everyone. Also, you all have drive link, ma? No, to the people who are not having drive link, let's put drive link also. Drive link.txt. Share. Copy the link. Guys, in Netlify, if you get an error like authentication failure, initial state key, something, I can't do anything. That is because Netlify cannot able to identify some GitHubs. If it is coming it for that, try with another GitHub only. Okay. Now go for this. Right click. Now. Okay. Everyone, I will provide you this link. Online, I will just give you in chat. If you type this link in the Google, if you go to this link, every day, whatever the code I post, code will be inside this here, and drive link is here. If you go to this drive link, you will have one link. In that link, you can open it. And inside the HTML, inside the code, my node code is there. Inside notes also notes is there. In GitHub also notes will be there. And also projects, inside the projects, inside the WW, today I did the project. Everything will be maintained by this thing, ma. I will share this repository with you all. You might use it. This is the link, which you can use. Good. None of the people are writing it, just taking the photos only. And write it na, so that you will remember it. Why people are just taking everywhere selfies? Just you are taking pics only. If you take pics, you will forget, Ray. I have so many screenshots. I thought it I can read it later. No, I will never read. I gave you this link, ma. Inside this link, drive link is there. Inside this link, our code is there. Inside this link, our notes are also there. Okay. And Focus on it. If anyone get any doubts, you can let me know. Is there any doubts now? No. Online, if you have doubts, you can ask me. Offline, if you have doubts, you can ask me. Else, you can start live. That's it for today. Thank you.